All right. So if I
Okay.
wanted to get started, like what is the like I'm coming in at zero. I'm intimidated by code
Yeah.
editors. I've downloaded VS Code like 6 times. I delete that thing after like a month because it just freaks me out. Like, should we try something? Like, is it easy enough that you could walk me through setting something up right now?
Yes.
Yeah, I do think you've got more technical level than I have, so it was pretty daunting, honestly, for me, because it's just not my world, and remembering all the different felt like a few moving parts to remember. So it's probably something.
Yes, yes, you perfectly captured. Yes, exactly. Sort of the feeling. Uh,
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
learned the word to say, and then I come back again. Maybe that was the problem in the past, is that I was trying to occasionally pop into a traditional code environment,
Hmm.
and I would wait just long enough to come back to it where I would have forgotten all of the words.
Yeah,
Um, so it sounds like whatever I learned today, I need to do tomorrow, and I need to do it the
yeah.
next day. I need to do it the next day.
Yeah. That's perfect. It's like I can teach you, Duncan, you with nothing set up yet. Molly with the fresh mind can be like the referee. And then there we go.
Our goal for this call is we get to
Yeah,
that point, get it to where
Hmm.
I can start to play around.
Hmm.
let's do it. And the
Cool.
first thing that you need is your accounts. There's 3 accounts that you need. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's start with GitHub. Go and make a GitHub account.
Oh, good news! I actually have one of those.
Excellent. All right, you have a GitHub account. Next thing you need is a Vercel account.
Don't have that.
All right,
Oh,
well,
I think I do.
Vercel. And this isn't like a universal you need Vercel, but you do need Vercel. I'm just from my opinion,
Yeah.
it is Vercel makes everything easier. Like Vercel makes code feel like no code. You're gonna see just how amazingly cool everything. I cannot possibly like give more gratitude to the Vercel team, or give enough, I should say, because they're awesome. Okay, so you have Vercel. Now you're gonna go ahead and connect your GitHub account, which honestly I did that so long ago that we're gonna have to go ahead and find this together.
Click the new project button. Want to
Wonderful.
connect a GitHub repository. Click import GitHub in repository.
Oh, there it is.
There you go. Import GitHub Git repository.
Continue with GitHub. Yeah, yeah. Resources.
Okay. What's that? Authorize.
Authorize for
Okay.
sale, and then from
Eh.
a list of repositories.
Now Next.js Boilerplate. Oh, install the GitHub application right there, that button. Um, yes, yes, install. Okay, okay, we did it. All repositories, install, boom. And then the next thing that you're gonna do after that is click that Next.js. Yes, boom, we're good to go. Okay, we're connected. Let me. Yes, Next.js Boilerplate.
Yeah.
And now give it a new
Wait,
name.
what is this? Hold on. Why do I need this? I understand
Good
what let
question.
me see. I need GitHub because that's my like file management, right? I'll be able
Yes.
to make updates and have different versions of my files.
Yeah.
I guess
Same.
the code will be able to like um fork, is that the word? Create a new version
Well,
and then like deploy. I could collaborate on this project with others in the future if I needed to.
yes, yes. Just picture it as where your code lives. You can use it for version control, you can use it for all sorts of things, but this is where your code lives. And Vercel, what we're doing with Vercel is taking that code and actually making it usable. How does Vercel work under the hood? I don't know, but if you just like push your code to GitHub, you can't access that on a URL.
You
Vercel
have to use
makes it
like
so that
GitHub
your
pages or something. So Vercel is sort of hosting.
yeah,
Yeah.
picture it as your hosting. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
GitHub is where your project is, and Vercel hosts your project. So yeah, go ahead and call that anything you want.
And with GitHub, you at different points of your project when you're building stuff with Claude, you can save it at different points, right? So I did a save yesterday before I hooked up with MemberStack in case MemberStack broke everything, and then it'd all break and I'd lose it all. So if anything
Yes.
went wrong with MemberStack, I could go back to the point that I saved.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Great.
Exactly. And we will probably on the next one when you're actually building something, Duncan, but we'll definitely go over how to make sure that you don't absolutely break everything because you will. you're good to go here. Hit continue to dashboard. And then I will provide you with your next steps. All right, now open GitHub again. And you're going to see something super cool. Give it a refresh. See that? Click it. All right, now,
all this stuff I made.
right, you're a professional developer already. Okay, so copy the URL. Oh, go back from that.
All right.
Copy the URL of this. That's all good. Yeah, you're going to copy that. And now, go ahead and open your Finder on your computer. New terminal at folder.
Whoa, never done this before.
Let's go. You've hacked into the mainframe, Duncan. No, but actually, the next thing you're going to need to do is install the GitHub CLI. And now we're getting into things that sound sketchy and scary. But don't worry, all that is something that allows you to communicate with GitHub from the terminal. So back to Google Chrome and search install GitHub CLI because I don't know the command. There you go. Click that. It's probably going to be one command. You just paste it in and you're done. So look at that. Prerequisites. You search install GitHub CLI. Prerequisites. Install the GitHub CLI. Thanks, guys. Okay.
Let's read down. Homebrew?
Yeah, I guess so. Updating. How are you updating if you just installed it? That's crazy. Yes, okay. So now do that GitHub command like brew install GH or whatever it was. So now go ahead and yeah, okay. So it says you have the GitHub CLI. So now open that Google Chrome tab again. There you go. GH auth login. That's what you're going to want to enter now.
Cool.
I will tell you we're almost done github.com.
This is great.
So enter.
Where do you use GitHub? Oh, GitHub.
HTTPS is fine. Yes. So just enter is fine. So one thing, I don't know if you noticed, log in with a web browser, yeah. Sometimes if it asks you something, press enter. Actually, first copy and paste your one-time code, I guess. Continue. There we go. Authorization, authorize GitHub. Next thing that you are going to want to do is remember that repository that you created, Next.js Boilerplate video demo. Copy the URL right there.
Oh, in GitHub?
Yeah, actually, I just realized. Now we got to install Claude Code. That's the next thing we got to do. And okay, so open another terminal in the same folder. We're just going to do the npm install, npm run dev.
Yeah.
There you go. That's fine. Sudo, because you have the weird problem, so sudo npm install.
Loading.
Followed by npm run dev.
Sudo?
Nope.
Great.
It doesn't make any sense. But all right, now open. See, try to. This is the thing. It's very useful when you're using the terminal. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Hold down Command and try to click on that link.
Oh, sorry. I should have clarified before. I was doing it. I'm doing it now. I had a double click.
Oh, all right. Anyways, point is it's working. So now open your terminal with Claude Code.
Oh, but yeah, this is very exciting. I have a local. This one.
Yep. So now say, go ahead and write a joke on my homepage. There you go. British humor. Let's see.
All right. Okay. So it found the home page. Adding a thing. 21 paths. Read, update to dos. Okay, so it found the home page. Now it's adding British humor joke. So I see these tokens counting up. Where was that?
That happens while it's like
every time.
Yeah, so hit enter to accept this. That's a beautiful joke. Wow.
Where is it?
I told my wife she was drawing her eyebrows too high. She looked surprised.
And then added a little
Now-
bridge, a little
Go ahead.
flag.
Go back to your npm run dev thing. Like, sorry, what am I saying? The browser window with localhost
Yeah.
open.
You link.
And refresh.
Oh, cool.
Oh, it's already done. You don't even
There you
need to
go.
refresh. There you go.
Perfect.
So you can see that. Now go back to Claude
Okay.
and say push to main. Just push to main.
Yes.
Yep.
So add plus page, add modified homepage to staging. Yes.
So it's always got its little to-do list running.
Yes.
So every to-do list item is something, it is a decision tree for me.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's going to ask me if it wants to, if I confirm, push changes to main. And main is the production branch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so now if I go here, it's obviously there. If I go here and refresh, there it is.
Do you want me to start up a new project now?
Absolutely. I'm intimidated by code editors.
Yeah.
I've downloaded VS Code like 6 times. I delete that thing after like a month because it just freaks me out.
I swear developers do this intentionally to gatekeep development.
Has, for the first time, completely and utterly changed my job role.